The Tri-Pack system is an idle reduction technology developed by Transport Refrigeration to help trucking companies reduce the fuel consumption, maintenance cost, emissions, and noise generated when idling tractor engines during driver rest periods. The Tri-Pack is an efficient system that heats and cools the cabin, charges the tractor batteries, and warms the tractor engine, a unique approach that integrates a diesel auxiliary power unit and a direct-fire diesel heater. The diesel auxiliary power unit, known in the industry as an APU, is powered by a two-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. The APU engine runs off the truck's diesel fuel and is integrated with the engine's coolant system. This approach provides two benefits. First, the APU can be used to warm the tractor's engine to improve cold weather starting. Second, the tractor coolant system warms the APU engine while running down the road, assuring exceptional cold weather starting of the APU. The APU engine belt drives an automotive-styled air conditioning compressor and a 65-amp 12-volt DC alternator. The alternator is used for tractor battery charging. This allows onboard 12-volt DC electronic communications and convenience devices to be used, and tractor trailer lights can be left on when parked for added safety. The compressor, using environmentally friendly R134A refrigerant, is used in conjunction with a separate dedicated evaporator and condenser to provide air conditioning for the cab and sleeper areas. The lightweight, low profile of the condenser allows it to be mounted on any tractor. The evaporator is very compact and is typically installed under the bunk. It provides significant air conditioning capacity and airflow. This approach to air conditioning is very efficient, burning less than 0.2 of a gallon of fuel per hour, producing fewer emissions than other APUs on the market. The Tri-Pack system utilizes an S-bar direct-fire diesel heater to provide heat for the cab and sleeper areas. It is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. The heater uses the truck's diesel fuel and draws power from the truck's batteries. The S-bar heater incorporates microprocessor-based safety controls. It runs very much like a home furnace and is capable of producing significant heat. When the heater is turned on, a control unit signals the blower motor to draw combustion air into the heat exchanger. Simultaneously, fuel is drawn from the existing truck fuel tank by the heater's fuel pump and is mixed with the air. As a glow pin ignites the fuel-air mixture, a controlled flame is established inside the sealed heat exchanger. Combustion gases pass safely through the exhaust and into the atmosphere. Clean air is drawn over the walls of the heat exchanger and circulated throughout the cab via the heater's fan. This process is very efficient, burning approximately 4/100ths of a gallon of fuel per hour and producing fewer emissions than any other heating method currently available. The Tri-Pack control box is installed in the toolbox or under the bunk. The microprocessor-based control system provides advanced capabilities, such as engine auto-start operation, battery voltage sensing, engine temperature sensing, tractor ignition integration, remote starting, programmable parameters, software upgradability, and self-diagnostics. The universal climate control is used to integrate the entire system. The controller is typically mounted in the bunk area, so the driver can operate it while at rest. This panel is designed to select system mode, adjust set point, and select fan speed. It is also backlit to illuminate the panel for nighttime operation. The controller incorporates advanced programmable features and diagnostics. Flash loadable software ensures system upgradability. One of the Tri-Pack features that improves driver acceptance and system use is a dash-mounted selector switch. When the tractor ignition is turned off, the driver can manually turn the system on or off, forcing the controller to the standby mode. The selector also allows the system to be integrated with the tractor's ignition. Whenever the tractor's ignition switch is in the off or accessory position, the unit will operate normally. If the tractor's ignition switch is in the start or ignition position, the controller is forced to the standby mode, turning off the system. The Tri-Pack system, providing a cost-effective, quality approach, eliminating the need for all non-operational idling. Tri-Pack, effective tractor heating and air conditioning along with tractor battery charging, so fleets can save fuel, lower maintenance costs, and improve emissions, while ensuring driver comfort. Transport refrigeration, providing a true idle reduction solution with the best return on investment and emission reductions of any system on the market.